Hey there guys, today I got a little padlock here. It's going to be a Brooks. Doesn't work too good. It does work, I don't know where the key is. Should be able to pick it open. It's kind of hard to pick open. What makes this lock hard to pick open is not the fact that it's got security pins inside, but it's all gummy inside. So, stick my pick in here. Plug does rotate quite a bit as you set the pins. It's really hard to feel what you have set and what you don't have set. There's the first one, I think. Second. Go back to the first. Okay, there's the second, I think. Not sure if this is gonna work or not. Really difficult. Got a lot of oil and lubricant inside. Really gummy. Real gummy. Making some progress. A lot of resetting going on too. Okay. Almost. Oh, almost got it. Almost, I think. Real gummy. Get that first pin to stay set. Let's see. I think I got the first one. That's why I don't like messing with used locks. Come on. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of rotation in the plug. Ease up just a little bit of my tension wrench. Okay, one more time. Start in the back this time. Work my way forward. Feels like it's gonna pop open anytime. It's difficult to tell. Right? There it is. Ooh, glad I got that on camera. Give me the Brooks padlock. It's a cheap little padlock, but it's really gummy inside, which makes it very difficult. Remember, if you spray lubricant inside, you can always put lubricant in the lock, but you can't take it off the lock. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one.